Howdy ho, welcome to my channel, Your Finger My Ring. Today's something a bit different. This is the Republica de Guatemala. What's that saying there? Can we see? "13th of September, 1821, liberated. Libertad." Is that 13th of December, September? Anyway, I want to turn it into a ring. And this is going to be the sunny side up of the ring. So first of all, we have to punch a hole in it. And for that, I'm using good old faithful. This is a self-centering punch. It's got a dome on it. It centers the coin dead center over the hole, so you guarantee to have a dead center hole in the coin. Clever stuff, eh? When I first started, I bought a cheap one of these. I think it was about 84 euros. Oh, yeah, that was a waste of money. And I should know I'm an electrical engineer by trade, so tool-wise, you know, I always used to get the best tools. This way crap, it don't last 5 minutes. Oh, I'm not even showing you this, am I? Not that you really want to see it, you've seen it 1,000 bloody times before, but there you go. Right. Too much talking, eh? Not enough action. Right. Just slap on the bottom. I think it sticks because maybe there's some ridges in there. But I wouldn't have thought it would affect it that much. But anyway, I digress. Right, let's get Bernie on it, warm the puppy up. I haven't done one of these coins before. Yeah, I've got the all the fish sellers are at the market for this. It's like a festival fish where I work, but I'm not into fish that much. This is bad, we've got chips with it. Right, so this is my first Guatemalan coin, 2001. So now we want to, that'll go face down in the die. Because obviously that's the prettiest side. Just want to make sure it's nice and level, or levelish. Over to the bottom end. Big red. And let's fold this puppy. Yep, that's good. That's fully folded nicely. So break out Sandy again. Where is she? There she is. Just make sure there's no crack forming or splits. that I punched through. I did clean it up with Christy Burr, but you've always got to check. Yeah, it's looking good. Let's try giving it a couple of pumps with that, more heat. Let's see what we're going to get. Let's go over to Spike, our best friend. And use kitchen roll to protect the inside. Yeah. Aye, aye. Yeah, if you're looking for a custom ring, look no further. You can send me your own coins, which quite a few people do. I've got a good selection of UK coins, Finnish coins. I'll happily make you a ring. I'm waiting to hear back about my... I've applied to... in Finnish it's called iso omena. And in English that's the big apple. But there's a big indoor shopping centre in Espoo called Iso Omena. Iso is apple. Oh, Omena is apple. Twat. And hopefully I can get there. If you're a Finn and you're watching this, if I get there, you can pop along, check out my rings. I'll have my tool there so I can adjust the size, hopefully. So pop along and see me. I've just got to find out the dates. Well, if I've definitely got a place or not. But right, let's warm it up a bit. Bit more love. This should be the last time I have to do this to this board. Right. I love that quenching sound. I love the sound of quenching coins. Yeah, okay, I'll shut up. Right, what we got? Let's go to the bottom end of Spike. And I just want to get this bow out. Yeah, there's a bit there I could do. Is that level? Yeah. The underneath is dead flat. But on Spike, I mean on Big Bertha, I have to use that Deburring block because the underside of that is rough as hell. Touch more, I think. Well, it's pretty much self-centered as soon as you give it a bit of the old one too. And I have to check with my eye. Nope, a bit more. On the screen it looks good, but it's not. I thought it'd been the other way around as it's a lot bigger. Right, to my eye that looks perfect. Always a straight, yeah, even on that looks good. Okay. Let's Get Kate on the subject. There she is. She's still looking pretty good. A bit windy today, Kate, but you're looking good. If you're new to the channel, there's a little red button bottom right hand corner of the video here. If you hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. You can send me comments or suggestions. If you have a certain coin you'd like me to make, if I have it, I'll make it for you. You don't have to buy it, I'll make it. Whoa. How's that looking? Not too bad. Has it got an inside lip? Yeah, but not much. So, if you haven't Guatemala and you'd like a unique coin ring, get in touch, man or lady. I don't know if I have any viewers from over there. I seem to have a lot of viewers from all over the world, but Australia, Japan, even China, as well as the US, UK and Europe. That's gone. See, that's nicely cut away, but you still got all the detail on the inside of the ring. I like it, it's a nice ring. Right, let's give it a bit of polish and see what happens. I don't know why this video is going quicker than the other ones I usually do. Let's see how this cleans up with Felton John. Most of my tours are named by my subscribers. I named Big Bertha and Spike. I think that was it at the time, and then people started saying, suggesting I call this one, that, and I picked Kate Bush, but Felton John, this one was picked out by a subscriber. Conan, that was picked out by a subscriber. But yeah, it's fun, you know. I love making these, and it's nice to have a bit of fun with people. Life's too short to be, you know, too bloody serious. And then after the video, my girlfriend finishes off cleaning these because my hands are still covered in oil and polish and God knows what. They come up a lot nicer when she's been playing with them. That's why I keep her. She's useful. Nah, I love her to bits. Right, there you go. One Guatemalan coin. Quite pretty, isn't it? What size we got? This is a size 66. There you go. Thanks for watching. Look at that finger. Looks like I've been dead for 10 years. Right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Toodaloo. Tubby bye-bye.